Okay, I'm just gonna sort of like go like that. Can you see my hand? Can you see the phone?
Nah.
Alright, so I'm just gonna like read it and shit.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, give me action.
Rolling. Alright, action.
Okay. Hello, my name is H4N. I'm the writer / director for this. Fucked it. Are you ready? Alright, let's go again.
I'll just keep rolling.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hello, my name is H4N. I am the writer / director for our next short film, Chiaro, a neo-noir thriller. Over here we have the majestic. Nah, I don't want to say majestic. Shoot this. Is that still recording your audio? Just shoot it. Still getting it?
Yeah, I can tell you.
Alright.
Ready? You are. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, my name is H4N. I'm the writer / director for our next short film, Chiaro. Now, this is a neo-noir thriller based in the estate of Thamesmead. As you can see behind me, the tower blocks from seen in such shows from Misfits, Clockwork Orange. So we decided we're going to take that, incorporate it, and make some magic. Alright, what have we got left to do? Couple more shots. Don't really know what we're going to do now. We ain't got a hat. We just have to incorporate it.
R.I.P. hat.
R.I.P. hat.
Rest in pepperonis.
Okay. We go over there, we'll get the shots. Get the shots on the flat. We either come back, get the shots for Kickstarter, do that stuff. We could even get some footage for Kickstarter now.